Hi students, once again welcome back to our VA Academy channel. Today we will discussing about 25 bits chemistry and 25 bits biology. The most important bits of biology and chemistry, these are frequently asking the competitive exams SSC or RB. Okay, so today we will discussing that chemistry first. Okay, now we will start. The most important words of iron: magnetite, limonite, iron pyrites. The right answer is D. Magnetite. The symbol of magnetite is Fe3O4. Limonite. The symbol FeOOH NH2O. Iron pyrites FeS2. Okay. The right answer is D. All of the above. The next question: which of the following is the order of routine egg smell? The right answer is hydrogen sulfide. It is most dangerous gas. After that, carbon monoxide. It is very dangerous gas. Next, question number 3. Which gas is released from the paddy field? The right answer is B. Methane. The next question: which of the following is not present in the compressed natural gas? The right answer is C. Carbon monoxide. The next question: positive rays were discovered by? The right answer is A. Goldstein. The next question: which of the following radiations has the least wavelength? The least wavelength of the X. The right answer is X-rays. A. Answer is right answer is A. The X-rays, the wavelength is 0.1 to 10 nanometers. Okay. The next question: what is the largest group of stars together is known as? The right answer is D. Galaxy. The next question: a positron is a particle with? The right answer is C. Same mass as that of an electron with the positive charge. It is also called positive charged subatomic particle, having same mass and magnitude of charge as the electron and constituting the antiparticle of a negative electron. The next question: which gas is released when we make biogases? The right answer is C. 1 and 2. The next question: if a fuel burns, which gas is released? The right answer is B. Carbon dioxide. The next question: the molecular formula of sulfur is S8. The molecular formula of phosphorus is S4. Next, what type of reactions are involved in the star's blinkering? The main chemical reaction will takes place the mixing of hydrogenous. The next question: if atmosphere air is not present, how the appears sky? It will be becomes a black. In the vacuum, it becomes a black color. Which acid is present in the lemon and argon? The right answer is citric acid. The next question: which gas is used for the cutting and welding purpose? This is the two answer 2 and 3 D. Oxygen and acetylene and oxygen and hydrogen gas also. The next question: Sodium, potassium, calcium reacts with water to form hydrogen. Cooling waters in the cool water. The symbol of phosphorus, P4. Right answer is D. The next question. Most abundant inert gas present in air. The right answer is argon. In the atmosphere, the argon present 0.932%. Next, helium 0.0005%. Okay. The next, carbon dioxide 0.0314. Helium 0.00052%. Hydrogen 0.0005%. The next question. The ordinary and general type of coke is anthracite. Generally, the anthracite is 92 to 98% of coke is present in it. Bituminous coal. Bituminous coal, the percentage is 84.4% of carbon and 5.4% of hydrogen and 6.7% of oxygen and 1.7% of nitrogen. Okay, next, lignite 25 to 35%. Peat 30 to 45%. The next question. The first man-made silk. The right answer is A. Rayon. The first artificial silk developed in 1890 is of cellulose fiber and marked assistant silk or viscose. But in 1924, artificially changed USA fiber was rayon. The next question. The plastic used in the preparation of non-sticky utensils, that is the Teflon. Polytetrafluoroethane, PTFE. In 1938, this was discovered. The next question. What chemical is mixing with water prevent decay of teeth? The right answer is B. Chlorine. If the fluorine percentage becomes more than 1 ppm, the disease occurs fluorosis disease. Due to the fluorosis disease, the decay of the teeth and the enamel also, teeth enamel also damage. So you have to prevent the water must be have less than 1 ppm of fluorine. If 1 ppm more than 1, you have to add chlorine to control the fluorine percentage. Next, who is known as the father of modern chemistry? The right answer is Anthony Lavoisier. The next question. The name of the atomic bomb dropped on Japan where? The little boy and fat boy. The little boy was code name atomic bomb dropped on city Hiroshima, 6th August 1945, Second World War. The smog is a combination of, the right answer is D, smoke and fog. Okay guys, these are the most important 25 bits of the chemistry. So if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Please, you are encourage our channel, then we will make more videos for your convenience. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, students, now we'll start biology. Okay, the first bit, which of the following is the maximum vitamin D is to be found? The right answer is C, oil of cod liver oil. Generally, the oil is prepared from the name of fish cod, and getting from liver, it contains vitamin A and D. The next question, the largest part of human brain, that is the right answer is D, cerebrum. Cerebrum compresses gray matter. Cerebrum is a cortex material and white matter at its center. The cerebrum intends and coordinates movement and regulate the temperature of the body. The next question, the acid is present in the human abdomen. The right answer is B, hydrochloric acid. The main function of the liver, all the blood. The hydrochloric acid, it is a created component of digestion. Stomach contains hydrochloric acid, potassium chloride and sodium chloride. They work together to break down the food you eat and convert it to the compounds is called pepsogen to pepsin. The enzyme that helps to break down proteins into amino acids. The main important enzyme is the pepsin. Now it will be converted into the proteins into amino acids. The next question, the organ of the human body which collects the carbohydrates into the form of glycogen is, the right answer is liver. The main function of the liver, all the blood leaving the stomach and attracts the passes through the liver. The liver possesses this blood and break down and balances and creates the nutrients and also metabolizing drugs into the form of that are the easier to use for the rest of the body or the non-toxic. That is the main important function of in our body. The next question, cerebrum is associated with this in brain. The next question, the largest cell of woman is, that is the nerve cell. It is also known as neuron or nerve cell. It is an electrically existable cell that communicates with other cells via specialized connections is called synapse. It is a main component of nerves tissue in all animals except sponges, and this is approximately that length is 1 meter. The next question, the blood purification takes place in kidneys. Generally, the main function is cleans the blood of toxins and transfer the waste into the urine. Each kidney have 160 grams approximately. In the kidneys, approximately 1 to 1.5 liter of urine produced per day. But the two kidneys are together filter 200 liters of water and in 24 hours. These are circulating throughout your body and filtering, that main filtering in the plus of nephrons is more than 1 million. These are filtering of our the toxic and unwanted particles are removed and is prepared as a urine. The color of cow milk is slightly yellow color. That is due to carotene. The right answer is D. Carotenol is a precursor of vitamin A which gets converted into enterocytosis and hepatocytosis of animals. It is a fat soluble pigment responsible for the yellow color of the milk. The next question. The bile is produced through, the right answer is C, liver. The liver, it is made and released by the liver, stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps with the digestion. It breaks down fats and fatty acids which can be taken into the body by the digestive tract. The most important part, this one. The next question. The smallest bone of human body is, the right answer is C, stapes. The middle ear contains three tiny bones known as ocellules. These are number 1, malleus, incus, and stapes. The next question. Which of the following is not a micronutrient for a plant? The right answer is A. The next question. Which of the following cell organisms is semi-permeable? The right answer is B. Plasma membranes. The plasma membranes is also called the cell membranes, is found in all cells that separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. The plasma membranes consist of lipids. These semi-membranes, the plasma membranes regulate the transport of materials entering and exiting the cell, and it is protect the cell from its interior environments. It is a phospholipids bilayer. The next question. The part of the brain in which we feel hunger and satisfaction of the food is, the right answer is B, hypothalamus. The body system for the regulating food intake and is coordinated by the hypothalamus, which is located under the middle line of the brain behind the eyes. With the hypothalamus are nerve cells that, when they activated, produce the sensation of hunger. The next question. The largest flightless bird which can run most fastly is, the right answer is C. The right and the actual life of ostrich is 50 to 75 years. The speed is 70 kph, but the study speed is 50 kph. The next question. The smallest living bird is hummingbird bee. This is in the Caribbean of Cuba. The next question. Which of the following is not the cause of water pollution? The right answer is C, to catch fishes near the bank. The next question, the Pova crisis is a scientific name of peacock. The next question, Plasmodium belongs to this group. The right answer is Protozoa. The next question, absorption of water by plants takes place through when the sun shines. Generally, the plant absorbs water from the soil with the help of roots. It is also absorbs minerals in organic forms through the roots hairs. The water and minerals get transported by xylem vessels. The next question, who gave the double helix model of DNA? Frequently this question will comes in the all the competitive exams. The right answer is C. In the year of 1953, Franz Crick and James Watson described the module structure of DNA, which they are called double helix. They have won the Nobel Prize physically and medicinally in the 1962. The next question. Color blindness is the human beings is caused by, the right answer is defect of X chromosomes. The color blindness is usually a genetic conditions, heredity, and born with it. Red, blue, and green colors blindness is usually passed down from your parents. The gene which is responsible for the conditions is carried on the X chromosomes, and this is the reason why many more of men's are affected than women's. That is the main reason of the affected by the men's more than women's. The next question, which of the following occurs in the hemophilia? Hemophilia is usually an the inherited bleeding disorder in which the blood does not clot properly. This can be leads to spontaneously bleeding during injuries or surgery. Blood contains many proteins is called factors that can help to stop the bleeding. The next question, which of the following compounds found in all living organisms are inherits phosphorus? The right answer is C, nucleic acids. The right answer is nucleic acids. The nucleic acids are biopolymers and macromolecules essential to all known forms of life. They are composed of nucleotides, which are the monomers made of three components. Number one, five carbon sugars and a phosphate group of an nitrogenous base. Generally, there are two main classes of nucleic acids are deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. This is the most important acids in the nucleic acid, contains deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. The Anopheles and mosquito spread malaria, and the right answer is Plasmodium parasite. The Plasmodium parasite is spread by female Anopheles mosquito, which is known as night biting, because they most commonly bite between dusk and dawn. If the mosquito bites a person already having is already infect of malaria and spread the parasites one to other peoples. This is the most dangerous. The next and last question: AIDS virus mainly attack on immunosystem. The AIDS virus is attack on the white blood cells. The white blood cells are the most important in our body to fight if any foreign substances are enter in our body, it will fight with us. The AIDS virus is first to attack an immune system. It will kill the white blood cells. Unfortunately, the disease will occur. Okay, students. Today is we are discussing about the chemistry and the most important biology, previous important bits. Okay, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. We will meet in next video within shortly. Thank you.